Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the basics of GSM in fabrics. If you've ever wondered what GSM is and why it matters when choosing your clothing, you're in the right place. So, GSM stands for grams per square meter. It's a measure of how much fabric weighs based on a 1 meter square area. In simple terms, the higher the GSM, the heavier and thicker the fabric, while lower GSM means the fabric is lighter and thinner. For example, fabrics with a GSM around 100 to 150 are lightweight, perfect for t-shirts or summer dresses. On the other hand, fabrics with a GSM of 300 or more are thicker and denser, which makes them ideal for sweatshirts, hoodies, or winter wear. Why does GSM matter? Well, it affects how the fabric feels on your skin, how it drapes, and even how durable it is. A higher GSM fabric will typically last longer and provide better insulation, whereas lighter GSM fabrics are more breathable and great for warmer climates. Knowing the GSM of fabric can help you make the right choice for any clothing project or season. So next time you shop for clothes or fabric, check the GSM to get exactly what you're looking for. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more insights into fabrics and clothing manufacturing.